Hi everyone, and welcome to week 2 of this 1901 online class. It seems like you've gotten, most of you anyway, have gotten through many of the assignments that we had to be done this week, the due dates and various things like that. There were some problems and some snags along the way, but you seem to have posted and made everything available. I do want to go over some of the issues with you. I know there were some people who made some or gave some questions as to whether, where do they post things, how do they get these things into the boxes. And when you send me an email like that, make sure that you post those questions that would be helpful for all into that discussion area in the discussion board, questions about the class, because this will help others to understand the questions that you have as well. One thing that you really need to do is you need to pay attention to the deadlines. Just so that you know, the readings and the videos every week will be done on the Monday through Wednesday timeline, basically. If you look at the schedules on the front page or in the content area for each week, you can see what the specific deadlines are for those schedules. So the readings and the videos need to be done on the first few days, Monday through Wednesday typically. And then the response to those readings needs to be posted in the discussion area by Friday midnight. This is so that your peer who is paired with you in the discussion area can have a read of your posting and then comment on that by Sunday midnight. There will be other various assignments during the week in each week. Last week was your personal profile draft. This next week we're going to be starting the photo reflection project. And you should read about that in the assignment description in week 2 of the content area. One thing I would like you to do, again, and this is step 2 of your introduction videos, is I would like you to put the video onto a YouTube account and then post that link into the discussion board forum that I just created. It will make it a lot easier for everyone to view those so that you don't have to download them and waste space on your computer. It'll be a lot faster and easier to view them. You do not have to make those YouTube videos public. You can just make it so that anyone who has the link can view them. And if you could have that done by Wednesday night this week, that would help us all out, because this week you're supposed to view your classmates' videos just so that you can get to know the people in the class. The things that should have been done this week are as follows. You should have posted your discussion board post about a summary of both readings and the response to one of those questions in the discussion area by Friday midnight. Then today is Sunday, so some of you are still working on reading your classmates' post and then commenting on that and putting that into the discussion board. I will be grading these sporadically, and your grade might look a little funny because I'm not finished grading them yet, but once the deadline is passed, I will be putting the grades up, and that's when you should start worrying about what the grades look like. The intro video that you all made was due Friday, and now I would like you to put those into a YouTube account and post the link into that discussion board area so that we can see that. I put mine there, and the writing associate Dana will also be putting hers there as well. She's going to be helping you with various writing tasks this term. Please use her availability to help you with any writing questions that you might have. You are also supposed to have set up your u.osu.edu pages by tonight, Sunday midnight. And that does not mean that you have to have everything posted up there. You just should have activated it and created the menu as was described in the Getting Started at u.osu.edu. Also, you should have posted the draft for your personal profile into the Dropbox that is available by tonight. I will be starting to comment on those tomorrow, and give me until Wednesday to get them done and then you can revamp or redo or rewrite those assignments and then post them up to your u.osu.edu profile pages, okay? Here are the things that are coming up this week. Again, you have several readings that you need to read, and you have several videos that you should be watching. And do those tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday at the latest. You should be posting your discussion again to those readings, and follow the discussion board question post that is in the discussion board area, and post those by Friday so that your peers have access to those on the weekend. Then you should respond to those again by Sunday. This week we're going to be starting a photo reflection project, and you should be putting your draft into the Dropbox by Sunday midnight. And you should also sign up for a tutorial with me. I will be talking about that later, so watch the news section of Carmen for any information on that. Post your YouTube video of your personal intro by Wednesday, so we can all see that easily. And then watch those videos of your classmates this week. Hopefully you can have a chance to see them all by Sunday. And that's about it, other than specific things. So please take a look at the schedule for week 2. Make sure that you look at all of the discussion questions and the information in that schedule, and pay attention to the deadlines. Again, post any questions that are helpful to all in the discussion area, questions about the class. And then if you have personal questions to me, don't be afraid to email me. I'm pretty good at getting back to you quickly on those. Hope you all have a great week.